Hello friends, today we are learning an important useful topic, that is all count functions in Excel. Let's start. First is count. In this function, only numbers are counted. Look at here, we apply formula and select range. Here the result 3, which are only numbers in range. Second is count A. In this all cell count except blanks. Similarly here, apply formula, select range, then you get the number, which are non-empty cells in range. Third function is countblank, which is useful for count blank cells. Similarly, apply formula and select range, and you get the result. Now the most important countif. In this function you have to apply criteria. Here, apply formula, select the range in the criteria I type greater than 20, so I get the count of number which are greater than 20 in range. Last one, countifs. In this you can apply multiple criteria. Here I applied formula, select range, and type my first criteria is greater than 20. Again, select range and type second criteria, which is equal to or greater than 50. Hence here I got result 1. Thank you for watching, hope you learned something new.